Doing some actual work for a change.
You're literally not even doing anything.
Boring our work.
Okay, bro. Of course this would happen.
We seem to be stuck.
Oh, really, driver? I bet Helen Keller could have figured that out. Also, why do you look so ugly?
Yeah, my wife asked me that same question. About me and my dick.
Truly heartbreaking. Anyway, maybe if I whistle loud enough, I can get John over here to bank us. John! John, get your ass over here!
What? Man, screw this! Why are you whistling so damn much?
Maybe he's trying to call you.
For what?
I'm stuck on the hill, dumbass!
Oh.
Where the hell up and help me?
Dude, okay, jeez.
What the? Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm here.
John, I'd recommend backing away.
Huh?
Shit.
Oh crap.
So, we gonna go after him, or...
Shut!
Nah, John's got it under control.
I need to get onto a different line quickly. Woo! Thanks, convenient passing loop.
So, how'd the runaway go?
By God's grace, I was able to avoid getting hit.
That's good. Sorry about the breakaway.
It's fine. I can hardly blame you when the coupling on these wagons are made of tinfoil and paper clips.
You're right. Wait, so what happened to the train?
I don't know, actually. Probably crashed into a siding.
Yeah, probably. By the way, where and how did you get a phone?
I don't know. I just found it one day.
You found it, or you stole it?
I plead the fifth.
You're British.
Oh, mate, I'm Scandinavian.
Forget it. So why do you have it?
It's not really important.
Why?
Just don't check the photo gallery.
Are we dead ass?